Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Kia Sportage. Now of course you get full LED daytime running lights and headlights. There you also get front parking sensors as well. Then coming round to the side, you get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels. I will go into each and every one and just to give you an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Now of course these are a 19-inch alloy wheel. But coming round to the rear, you also get rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which you can see just at the top there. Then into the tailgate, we get plenty of room in here, including 60-40 split, flat folding rear seats that will fold flat with the boot floor. You then also have this brilliant parcel shelf here, which will ensure maximum privacy for any belongings inside the tailgate. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we do have full black leather interior with your red stitching, as this is the GT line. You do get ISOFIX mounting points and heated rear seats as well. You get full keyless entry and start. And then coming inside, we have your 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got 2 front heated seats, dual climate control. We've then just along here got your media controls. As you can see, we've got your various radio bands, got your various media sources, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We then also have your satellite navigation. This is all built into the screen in the middle, as you can see. Then over to the steering wheel, we then have your voice assistant, volume, track select and Bluetooth hands-free. Over on the right hand side, on the inner right, we have your onboard computer controls. On the outside, it is your cruise control and speed limiter settings. You get automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 26,775 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Sportage, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.